On this new short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So if you have any problem with the voice message on WhatsApp, this video is gonna help you a lot. Keep watching until the end to fix it. First thing you have to do, guys, is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After you go to the apps manager, click on apps again. Now wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find the WhatsApp app like this. Click on it, and now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on the force stop and then go to the notifications management and disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure that the microphone permission is enabled. Go back, and last thing you have to do is click on power usage details, go to the app launch and make sure that the manage automatically option is enabled like this. Now all what you have to do is open WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.